going to first start off by getting a bowl to store your dip in. Then you're going to lay down your lettuce. I shredded my iceberg lettuce. You're going to follow up with some shredded vegan cheese. I like to use the Daya cheddar style cheese, and it looks so nice. It tastes so good. I really recommend it if you haven't tried it. After the cheese, I would like to go ahead and place my Beyond Meat, the Beyond Burger plant-based burger down, and I use that as my crumbles. Then I like to follow up with my refried pinto beans, and I like to go in with my homemade guacamole. So delicious. I love guac. And then I added some more Daya vegan cheese, followed up by organic chopped black olives. This is the sour cream that I use, and I like to add apple cider vinegar in it so it gives it that nice sour cream flavor. And I topped it off with some pinko, and that is my 7-layer vegan dip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.